Hi everyone, I'm Snigdha, also known as Crazy Scribbler on Instagram and YouTube. So today we will be painting a sunflower on Ayush paper acrylic sketchbook. It's 7 by 7 inch and 200 GSM. The texture of the paper is just like a canvas, so it's ideal for acrylic or gouache paintings. I have used colors from Flash Official and Fevicryl one for the white color. You can find the details in the description section. I have used a large flat brush and a small flat brush from Local Brushes, and the other two ones are the round brushes. Let's start by applying masking tape to all the four sides of the book. This is just to avoid the color from coming out and gives a nice border to the painting. I'll start by applying Ultramarine blue. The paint is applied layer by layer, starting with a thick layer and then finally moving the paint down from top to bottom. I'll start applying sap green for the shade of grass. This paint will be applied from bottom to top. I'll start applying white to blend blue and sap green. The blending is very smooth given the texture of the paper. It's just like I'm painting on a canvas. Once the blending is complete, I'll start making the clouds in the sky. I'll start with a thick shade of white and then gradually I'll move on to merge the white and blend it with the blue sky. No matter how many coats of the paint I apply on the paper is not going to tear off and the colors just blend smoothly. So if you have any queries related to the paper or colors or any kind of techniques, you can post it on ask.ayushpaper.com. So my sky here is almost done and I start by painting the background flowers. I'll paint some little flowers in the background and after that I'll be applying a layer of sap green to just kind of give an effect that the flowers are in the background and not in the foreground. So now that my flowers are in the background, I'll start painting the grass area. I'll start with sap green and then gradually I'll move on to give some shades of burnt umber. While starting with the sunflower, I'll start painting from the area in the center of the flower. I have used burnt umber to create this shade. You can use any brown color if you do not have burnt umber specifically. So I'm just trying to create some leaves in the background, although I'll be highlighting them later. So let's create another small flower in the foreground to give it a dramatic effect. So I'll be making some black dots which will represent the seeds of the flower. I'll do that for both the flowers. Once the center area of the flower dries up and the background like the sky and the grass is dried, I will start creating the petals. For the first layer of the petals, I have used lemon yellow. If you do not have lemon yellow, you can use any other yellow and mix a little bit of white acrylic in it. While creating the petals, I'll cover some of the center area with the petals to give it a natural look. The next layer would be a darker shade of yellow, or you can also use orange. We do not cover all the spaces of the previous shade, but just bits and pieces here and there. To give the flower a more realistic look, we'll have some small sized petals coming out of the flower, and they'll be darker in shade. You can use orange or even brown to make these petals. And now we'll paint the stem of both the flowers in shade of brown. You can also mix a little bit of black or sap green to give it a more natural look. I felt that my sap green is not highlighting the leaves, so I am adding a little bit of white to highlight them. Just giving a little bit of final touches, and you can see that all the colors have beautifully blended on the paper. This sketchbook is ideal for beginners who do not want to invest too much in canvas, and also because the size of the book is 7 by 7, it helps you make a small painting really quick and efficiently. And the last step is to finally peel off the masking tape, and you can see how the masking tape has helped give a beautiful frame to your painting. We would love to see your recreation of this painting, so whenever you recreate, please tag us or DM us at Ayush Paper Instagram handle.